In this video, I am going to share you that how you can recreate any pose you can see on YouTube or you can see anywhere. You can recreate any pose just using AI in single one prompt. I will show you my exact workflow, so stay tuned for that. So the first way is posemyart.com and the second way is using YouTube thumbnails for exact YouTuber you want to recreate the pose. So we will talk about the both poses. So let's begin. We will start with the method 1. So you can see I have taken my headshot image. This is a simple headshot image. So for this method, you have to go on posemyart.com and I have chosen this pose. I have saved it. For that, you can just screenshot it. You can also take other poses from there. There are pre-made scenes. So go to ChatGPT, paste it here, and use a subject image, paste it here, and take the prompt. I will provide this prompt into description. Take this and paste it here. Now see the magic. It will recreate the exact pose using my headshot image without changing face. So as you can see, this AI has created the magic. I have got the exact pose using my headshot image without changing my face. You can see my face, the pose, and the pose I have got. I want this exactly the pose. So you can see the magic. Now we will talk about the method 2. Method 2 is like you see a YouTube thumbnail and let's say talk about MrBeast and you wanna recreate the exact pose. So how you do that? Let's open MrBeast channel for that. I will just search MrBeast and here go to the channel and I will choose the pose which I like. Let's say scroll, some more scroll, let's say I like this one a bit much. So take this screenshot and use new chat. Just paste the screenshot. Now you have got the screenshot of the MrBeast of thumbnail here. Now what you have to do is go to the file I will provide in the description. Use the second prompt and paste it here. Now this prompt will convert this thumbnail into a 3D pose. So let's see. So as you can see, we have got the exact pose into 3D model. So download it here. Open new chat. Paste it here. Use your image, headshot image, and repeat the process. Just paste it here. Use the first prompt now. Paste it here. And now you will got the magic. So as you can see, we have got the exact pose that I have requested for. This was the pose. This was my subject image. And this is the post I have got. So you can see it works pretty well for both method. And you can choose which method works better for you. And according to your requirement, you can just decide from there. And for today, this was pretty much from my side. If you like the video, then subscribe the channel. And I'll see you next video.